We are two particles that comprise a system and both are traveling at a given moment in directions perpendicular to each other. We need to find the momentum of each particle and the total kinetic energy of the two particles in the reference frame fixed to the center of mass. So momentum also we need to find with respect to center of mass. So for simplicity, let's consider this direction as x and this direction as y. So we'll write v1 and v2 in terms of I and j. So VCM is, we know, m1 v1 vector plus m2 v2 vector by m1 plus m2. So now for momentum of each particle, let's first find velocity of each particle with respect to cm, and then we can just multiply it by mass to get the momentum. So velocity of first particle with respect to cm, it is v1 minus vcm. So we'll just write the value of v1 and minus vcm, and simplifying we get this. So of course the momentum of 1 with respect to cm is m1 into this quantity, which comes to be m1 m2 into this. Now combined total momentum of the system with respect to center of mass is always 0. So P1 cm plus P2 cm is 0, and we have already found P1 cm, so we'll just put a minus sign on that, and that will be the momentum of 2 with respect to cm. That is first part. Second part, kinetic energy. So again in reference to cm. So this is our equation for kinetic energy with respect to center of mass. So again we'll write this as actually we have already calculated v1 cm, so we'll just put that value here, and similarly you can see by symmetry that v2 cm will also be something similar, or you can see from here if you just divide this by m2, that will be velocity of 2 with respect to 1, and we will need the magnitude of that velocity, and because v2 and v1 are perpendicular, the magnitude of v1 cm whole square is simply m2 square by m1 plus m2 whole square into v2 square plus v1 square. So yeah, that's what we have done, and just simplifying you will get your answer.